Hey guys, this is the unboxing and a quick review video of the Philips beard trimmer. So this belongs to the 3000 series of the trimmers by Philips and the model is called BT3221/15. So let's quickly open it and see what we get inside the box. So firstly we get some documentation that includes a warranty card and a user manual. And this is the charger, and this is rated at 15 volts and 5.4 watts. The cord seems to be pretty long, and this is helpful as the trimmer can be operated while it is being charged. We also get a small brush, and this can be used to clean the blades of the trimmer. Next is the travel bag or a storage pouch, and this has a ziplock for carrying while travel. Let's now take a look at the trimmer itself. So this has a premium finish and the build quality seems to be very good. It's got an ergonomic design and it's pretty comfortable to hold in hands. It's got a good grip here and you can see that texture which will give that grip to hold. And we have a power button here. So let me go ahead and power this on. So below this power button we have an LED indicator. So this will light up in different colors to indicate low, empty, charging and full status of the battery levels. There is a zoom wheel here and this has got a rubberized texture, and this is used to choose the cutting length or the precision. There are a total of 20 presets that starts from 0.5 millimeter and goes all the way up to 10 millimeter in steps of 0.5 millimeters. So now let's take a look at the top, and it's got a comb here, and this has a lift and trim system that cuts hair 30% faster compared to normal trimmers. Basically this comb lifts and guides the hair to the level of blades for an even trim. Now this one is the main selling point of this product. We can remove this comb by pulling this out like this, and that reveals the stainless steel titanium coated blades, and these are self sharpening blades so as to give a longer life and they remain sharp. Also the blades have a rounded tip for smooth contact with the skin and prevent scratching and irritation. This head is detachable, so just need to lift this with your thumb like this, and the head alone can be rinsed under running water from a tap. The body can be cleaned using this brush, and also this head needs to be dried before you can put it back to the main unit. Now talking about the battery life, it comes with the DuraPower technology that optimizes power consumption to enhance the life of the battery. As per the specification, it will give a runtime of 90 minutes when charged for 1 hour. And another feature of this trimmer is that it can be used while it's being charged. So if you discover in the morning that it has a low battery, then you can use it while the charger is still plugged into the power socket. On the bottom side we have this power socket to which the adapter needs to be connected. I have been using Philips trimmer for many years and they have been lasting long and good. So this is a QT4019 model that I currently have, and this one is more than 7 years old and it still works in the corded mode, but the battery is dead. Also the hinge here on the comb just broke away recently, and that's the reason I bought this newer model which has got much more features and seems to be pretty nice. I also have this wet and dry Philips shaver, and this is called the Aqua Touch 8890. So I bought this about 5 years ago, and this one is still intact, and it works good. So that's all I had to say about this product, and I hope this was useful to you. And as always, please do hit that like button if it helped. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.